Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, if you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, then click the red colored subscribe button and then press the bell icon to get the latest update of our new videos directly to your inbox. Press F11. Click one shot BIOS boot menu. See, the pen drive is cruiser blade front USB. You need to click on front USB cruiser blade where Clonezilla is installed. Press enter. Press enter again. OK. Start Clonezilla. Press OK. Enter on the keyboard. Press again OK. Press enter on the keyboard for OK. Work with disks or partitions using images. Again press OK or enter on the keyboard. Local underscore device. Use local devices. Press enter. Press enter for continue. Now insert the pen drive where 16.04 server is present. So here is only one pen drive is showing, SDA device, SDA1, SDA is showing. Now let's insert the another pen drive. See, this another closer blade is appeared here. Press Ctrl C on the keyboard. Select SDC 7799 MB SanDisk cruiser blade, this one, or whatever your pen drive. Press enter on the keyboard. See, the tower server. This is the file. Switch to done. Now you need to press again enter on the keyboard. Press enter for continue. This is the beginner mode. Click enter on the keyboard. Switch to restore disk. So this is the third line. Restore disk. Press enter on the keyboard for OK. Again enter on the keyboard. Press enter on the keyboard. Now scroll down to no. Checking is the image. Press OK. Press OK again and enter on the keyboard. Again enter on the keyboard. Press Y for continue. Are you sure you want to continue? Press Y. Again enter on the keyboard. Again Y. Press Y on the keyboard and then enter again. You need to wait till the process is complete 100%.
Không ai làm gì. Thì cái cách này đúng là văn pháp. Itu cuma cuma này.
कर दिया. Now remove the USB pen drive.